junk drawer today, the 25th day of our 31 days to get organized challenges. And this is one of my favorite challenges because this is an easy victory that I can guarantee you that you can do. Now, 10 minutes, take everything out of the junk drawer. Get rid of anything that is trash, that's rubbish, that's garbage, throw it away. Things that should not be in the junk drawer, put them where they belong, and then arrange like things together. Use Ziploc bags or small little boxes or drawer dividers to arrange things in their like categories. And I promise, if you do that, when you then open your utility drawer, no more junk drawer, it will give you a sense of real accomplishment. So let's get to it. Today, convert your junk drawer to a utility drawer, and let's hear how you do. And I'd love to see some photos.